Most content creators and solopreneurs spend hours creating posts that get a quick traffic spike, then poof, disappear forever. But what if writing just one post could give you traffic for years? What could that do for your business? In this video, I'm revealing the Evergreen content strategy that can triple your website visitors and eliminate those feast or famine traffic cycles. Hey, I'm Doree. I'm a content strategist, and I've been working in content since right around the time that my generation created the internet. You're welcome.
In this video, I'll show you exactly what makes content truly evergreen, why it's especially powerful for solopreneurs and content creators, the 5 specific post formats that drive consistent traffic, how to make your content stand out from the rest, and how to keep your evergreen content fresh.
In the content world, evergreen content refers to information that stays useful and relevant to your audience for years, not just days. Think of it like a pine tree that stays green year-round while other trees change with the seasons. Evergreen content does at least one of these 3 things. First, it addresses foundational topics in your field. Second, it answers common questions that people will always search for. And 3, it solves persistent problems for your audience. It's important to distinguish evergreen content from timely or trendy content. For example, if you're a business coach, a topic like how to set realistic business goals is evergreen because entrepreneurs always need this guidance. But the topic, reacting to the latest social media algorithm update, has a short shelf life, since social media platforms constantly update their algorithms. Don't misunderstand me. You need both types of content, but use the 80-20 rule. Make 80% of your content evergreen and 20% of your content trendy, timely, or newsworthy. As a solopreneur, your time is especially precious. You're likely juggling multiple responsibilities, creating content, marketing, engaging with your audience, and maybe even a day job and family responsibilities. Unlike larger companies with dedicated teams, you don't have the resources to constantly produce new content just to maintain visibility. We're solopreneurs, we do it all, right? This is exactly why you need an evergreen content strategy for your secret weapon. Think of it as having a marketing assistant that works around the clock, week after week, month after month. Each high-quality evergreen post you create continues attracting visitors for years with minimal additional effort from you. Traffic generation smooths out those feast or famine cycles and creates a more sustainable business model. When it comes to evergreen content, not all blog posts are created equally. There's 5 specific formats that consistently outperform other types of content for long-term traffic. These formats address ongoing needs and questions that your audience will always have.
The first format is the classic how-to guide that solves common, persistent problems. People are always searching for instructions, so your expertise is valuable here. According to Backlinko, how-to posts receive a high number of backlinks, which is very important to rank for SEO and long-term traffic. Our second format, which is equally powerful, is the resource list that saves your audience time by curating valuable tools and resources in your niche. The third type are ultimate guides that cover foundational topics in your industry. These are comprehensive, in-depth pieces that aim to be the definitive resource on a particular subject and build extensive authority. Say you're a financial planner for solopreneurs. You could write a post called The Ultimate Guide to Retirement Planning for the Self-Employed and continue updating it as one of your content pillars on your site. Ultimate guides are longer, more in-depth content that tends to produce stronger results for bloggers. 4 is case studies. Make case studies of timeless principles that are applied to real situations. So if you write a piece showcasing how fundamental principles work in practice, it could be very insightful, and if the principles are timeless, the case study will remain relevant. So a marketing consultant could write something like, Case study, how a local bakery tripled its online orders using core email marketing principles. Be sure to focus on the why and how behind the success, and link it to timeless strategies instead of using fleeting tactics. And then number 5, FAQ posts. Create FAQ posts that address universal questions in your niche. Every industry has questions that prospects and customers ask over and over again, and compiling these questions into a comprehensive FAQ post can be incredibly helpful and continuously drive targeted traffic to your website. So a business lawyer could create an FAQ post called Your Top 15 Questions Answered: Legal Basics for Starting Your Solo Business. Answering common questions directly can help your content appear in Google's featured snippets and People Also Ask boxes, significantly boosting visibility to your website.
Creating great evergreen blog content is the first step, but making sure it gets found by search engines is equally important. So include the proper keywords and content structure. I've dedicated a couple of videos on SEO and UX, and I'm going to link them in the description as well as put them on the end screen. With so many creators in your industry creating content, how do you make sure yours stands out? Start by identifying content gaps, topics your audience is searching for where existing content is lacking or missing key information. Analyze top-ranking posts for your target keywords and look for questions they're not answering fully or perspectives they're missing. Your unique experiences and expertise are the way to differentiate yourself from others. Share personal anecdotes that illustrate your points, offer contrarian views based on your experience, or develop your own frameworks that simplify complex topics. Any combination of these three is going to work and you're going to stand out. People increasingly look for content that offers new perspectives, not just rehashed information they can find anywhere. And that is where you can add unique value to your audience. Are you ready to level up your content without blowing your budget or breaking the bank? Styled Stock Society's 9th anniversary sale is happening from June 10th to June 18th, and it's the perfect time to join. You'll get weekly drops of fresh, diverse stock photos and videos, plug-and-play Canva templates, and quarterly content calendars that map out your content strategy for you. I use it for everything, including Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, and course content, and it always saves me time. Plus, Styled Stock Society has put together their birthday biz bundle for their 9th anniversary with 9 additional bonuses to your membership. Take advantage of the sale through my affiliate link below to get 33% off your membership while it lasts. Even evergreen content needs occasional maintenance to stay relevant and perform well. A good rule of thumb is to review your best performing posts at least once a year. Watch for signs that content needs refreshing, such as declining organic traffic, outdated statistics or information, broken links, or newer competitor content on the same topic. Refreshing doesn't mean you have to completely rewrite all your content. Small updates can make a big difference. Updating statistics and dates, adding new examples, improving readability with better formatting, enhancing visuals, or expanding sections that need more detail. According to Orbit Media Studio's latest annual survey, bloggers who regularly update older content are significantly more likely to report strong results from their content marketing. So there it is. It's the strategy for creating evergreen blog content that drives consistent traffic to your site for years to come. Recap!
Choose one of the 5 formats we discussed. Focus on an evergreen topic in your niche. Optimize it for both humans and search engines. Then add your unique insights and review and refresh your content periodically to maintain its performance.
Which of these evergreen formats will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more content marketing strategies for solopreneurs. Thanks for watching, and here are those SEO and UX videos that I promised.